Yo, the SPY is breaking the 50 MA. It's down to 442. I thought, JP wasn't going to let it actually go down. I thought that we were going to bounce off the 50, bounce off support. No idea why I don't have my support and resistance lines right now. I think the internet's kind of funky. But holy shit, dude, look at this nice big ass sell-off candle right now. Look at that. Look at the weekly right now, dude. Watch. Weekly, definitely bearish. Look at the monthly. Monthly is still bearish, dude. If we actually close this month bearish, I can definitely see us going all the way down to 422, and I'll be buying heavy on puts. But look at that daily, man. Jesus. That is a very nice break. If we actually stay under the 50 MA, under 442 or on 442 we close, this is not good for the S&P 500. Letting you guys all know right now, if this stays like this, crypto might actually end up following it. And if SPY ends up closing the month bearish, we can expect a heavy drop on both the SPY and an even further drop on crypto. There's a lot of weird shit going on, and I'm waiting for the end of the month to actually do anything. But I think I already bought all my calls back from the Bitfarms calls that I sold. I think I made like a 60% profit. So I am looking at reselling calls maybe at the next upward movement that Bitfarms actually has. If we do touch anywhere above 550, 560, around that area, I'm definitely going to be selling calls to maybe like in the February expiration date. But SPY is looking not very good at all. SPY is looking bad. Keep in mind, we still have 2 weeks to actually close bullish. But as of right now, the monthly is bearish, the daily is bearish, where the daily is looking like it's going to start closing under that 50 MA, where it wants to start closing candles, over and under that 50 MA, which is this little red line right here. So, like I said, if you're part of the Patreon, I've already told you, monitor the S&P 500. It's looking super weird right now, and keep in mind, if the SPY falls, high likelihood that the crypto market is gonna follow along with it. So, not very good at all. This is not a very good look for crypto or the S&P 500. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.